Alright, let's talk credit scores. Yeah, that 3-digit number that can decide if you land your dream home or get slapped with high interest. It's more than just a number, it's a reflection of your financial habits and responsibility. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a car loan, or even just secure a better interest rate on your credit card, your credit score plays a crucial role. I'm breaking down the top 5 credit score mistakes Canadians keep making, and how you can dodge them. First up, missing payments. This is a big one, folks. Sounds obvious, right? But it's the #1 reason people tank their score. Even a single late payment can haunt your credit report for years. It's like a dark cloud that just won't go away, affecting your ability to get new credit or loans. So set those reminders, or better yet, automate your minimum payments. Automation is your friend here. It takes the human error out of the equation and ensures you never miss a due date. Trust me, you don't want to mess around with this one. Missing payments can be a slippery slope that's hard to recover from. Second, maxing out your credit cards. This is a common mistake that can really hurt your score. Let's say your card has a $5,000 limit. If you're constantly sitting at $4,900, lenders see you as risky, even if you pay it off each month. High credit utilization signals to lenders that you might be over-reliant on credit. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. So for that $5,000 card, try to keep it under $1,500. This shows lenders that you're managing your credit responsibly. Your future self will thank you. Lower credit utilization can lead to better credit offers and lower interest rates. Now, mistake number 3, applying for too much credit too fast. This is a red flag for lenders. Every time you apply for a new card or loan, the lender checks your credit. Too many of these hard inquiries in a short time, your score takes a hit. It makes you look desperate for credit, which is never a good look. Only apply for new credit when you really need it, not just for those sweet sign-up bonuses. Those bonuses can be tempting, but they're not worth the potential hit to your credit score. Fourth, ignoring your credit report. This is a big no-no. Look, errors happen. Maybe someone else's missed payment shows up on your report, or there's a credit card you never opened. These mistakes can drag down your score if left unaddressed. Canadians can check their credit report for free. Do it at least once a year to spot mistakes before they become big problems. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And finally, closing old credit cards. This might seem like a good idea, but it can actually hurt your score. Seems like a smart move, but older accounts boost your credit history, which is a good thing. Unless there's an annual fee you just can't justify, keep those old cards open, even if you barely use them. The length of your credit history is a significant factor in your credit score. So there you have it. Pay on time, watch your balances, don't go wild with credit applications, double-check your report, and don't rush to close old credit cards. These simple tweaks can make a world of difference in your financial health. Simple tweaks, but they can make a world of difference. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips on mastering your money in Canada. We're here to help you navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Got questions or credit horror stories? Drop them in the comments, I read every single one. Thanks for tuning in. Your financial journey is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way.